To access your license key in Gumroad, start by typing Gumroad into your web browser. On the website, you'll see options to either log in or go to your dashboard. Clicking on either will take you to the relevant page. If you choose to log in, you'll need to fill out your account information, including your email and password. Once you've accessed your dashboard, look to the left-hand side where you'll see a range of options, including Product, Collaborate, Checkout Emails, Workflow, Sales, Analytics, and Payouts. Click on Product to proceed. For published products, you can typically find the license key by clicking on the three dots, which will open a menu with various options, including the license key. This key can be copied or dragged across the page as needed. To find your license key, simply follow these steps. By doing so, you should be able to easily locate and use your license key in Gumroad.